Welcome. Thank you for scanning the QR code so you can participate in the lesson. Please pause as you can work on a problem and come back to here to check your work. So today we are working on pages 78 and 79. Today date is 10-16-18 and we are learning something called unit rates. Unit rates is where you're breaking it down so you can find out the answer to one item, one unit. So before we do that, we need to talk about our number routine. So I need you to open up your notebook to page 78. Page 78. So let's look at this. It says, how do you know? This is about colors and number of students. 21 students chose blue, 1 student chose orange, 14 students chose yellow. Find the ratio of blue to yellow. Is it 2/3 or 3/2? Ratio. Ratio, in case you forgot, compares how many items. To find a ratio, you have to compare how many items, how many quantities. Hopefully you said 2 quantities. Remember we did where the giraffes and zebras, and then we did boys to girls, how the boys had to choose a girl. So it's counting how many items you have. So blue to yellow. How many blues do we have? 21. How many yellows do we have? 14. So this is a part-to-part comparison. Can we simplify this? I'm going to take out a different pen color now. Can we simplify this? What can I divide both of these numbers by? What about dividing both of these numbers by 7? 21 divided by 7 is 3. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So it could be, so which one of these shows 3, 2? The second one. So does it matter on order? Does it matter which number comes first? Yes, it does. 21 represents the blue, so 3 represents the blue. 3 blue. 14 is yellow, 2 is yellow, 2 yellow. All right, so take out your homework. You may need to take out a red checking pen to see how you did on this homework. So take out your homework and let's check your homework. So number 3, it says the answer is each hour is 43 miles. Number 4, how much does one orange cost? For each orange, it costs 89 cents. You're supposed to divide $5.34 into 6 oranges. Number 5, how many pages did he read in 1 hour? Each hour, he read 33 pages. Number 6, how many flowers are in one vase? So you break up the 72 flowers into 4 vases. Each vase contains 18 flowers. Number 7, in the bakery, a container of cookies is $4.55 and contains 13 servings. The coins below equal $4.55. Divide the coins into 13 equal groups. As you can tell, they did. How much are each one? 25. A quarter with a dime is 35 cents. Because 25 cents plus 10 cents equals 35 cents. And that was your homework. Tonight's, so now where are you going to tape this? Because I know kids are going to ask me. You're going to tape it to page 76. So in your bucket, tape this page to page 76. Now take out your homework. You should have picked it up from the back of the room. If you haven't, shame on you. So tonight's homework has 8 questions. It either goes on page 78 or put it in your homework folder. Tomorrow, when I come back, we will go over it. It's a guarantee. And will it be a grade? You'll see tomorrow. So please do it. So here's a video. Let's see if this video works. See if you can hear it through this.
Bridge still holding. What's the damage? Worry about that later. What's the relative velocity? 12 meters per second. Copy.
So this is a movie called The Martian. He is astronaut Lewis. He is traveling 12 meters per second. That means we are learning per. You learned it the day before. That means he's traveling 12 meters a second, 12 meters every second, 12 meters each second, or 12 meters for every 1 second. That's a lot of distance. He is in space. So that's what he's traveling. The Max shuttle is going 60 meters in 5 seconds. Are they equivalent? So we're going to see if they're equivalent. I'm going to use this table to see if they're equivalent. So I'll put meters, second. So astronaut Lewis is traveling 12 meters in 1 second. The space shuttle is going 60 meters in 5 seconds. Do they show a relationship? Are they equivalent? Well, let's take out a pen and see if they are. What is the relationship between 12 meters to 60 seconds? Or 12 meters to 60 meters times 5. 1 second to 5 seconds times 5. There is a relationship. So you could even make a chart. In 2 seconds, he goes 24 meters. In 3 seconds, he goes 36 meters. In 4 seconds, he goes 48 meters. In 5 seconds, he goes 60 meters. I'm just curious, what is this? Let me pull this out. What does per second mean? When he's traveled 12 meters per second, you know what I mean? He's traveling 12 meters every second, each second, 1 second, or a second. And we made a table. Oh, we just did right there on the bottom. All right, so per means each, every, or one. Because sometimes you see this. Like you ever see on street signs? Let me get a pen out. You may see this, like a street sign that says 60 mph. What does that mean to you? It means on the speed limit, you could drive 60 miles per hour. So 60 miles per hour. That means every hour, you're driving 60 miles. Each hour, you're driving 60 miles. An hour, you're driving 60 miles. Or 60 miles for every 1 hour. Or sometimes you see in a grocery store, there are signs that 4 apples uh, per $1. I mean, you get 4 apples for every dollar. Each dollar, $1, $8. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna be practicing breaking things down now, just like what you did on your previous homework from the previous night. A package of 6 crackers contains 246 calories. How many calories are there in 1 cracker? So here is a bar diagram, and here is a table. We're going to learn how to do both of them. So in this bar diagram, there are 246 calories. This is a package of cracker. I need you on your notes to split this up into 6 sections and label 1 cracker. You know what? Let me use a different pen color. So it's thinner. 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker, 1 cracker. That means there are 6 crackers. Wait, stop. You know what? I actually drew way too many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Much better. Unlike you, I can much better. So I kind of spaced it out a little. Well, imagine all of these are the same section, same size. I didn't do a good job, I'll be honest. All right, so how many calories are going to each cracker? Any suggestion on what operation I should do? Hopefully you said you're supposed to divide. So 246 divided by 6. Can 6 go in 2? No. Can 6 go in 24? 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, 4 times. Bring down to 6. How many 6's go in 6? 1 time. So that means there are 41 calories for 1 cracker. What if you got hungry or hangry, because you're hungry and angry, and you ate another cracker? 2 crackers will be 41, 41 will be 82 calories. What if you ate 3 crackers? 41 calories, 41 calories, 41 calories is 123 calories. So some people like tables like this. They like bar diagrams. But I prefer something called a table. So make sure you a table. In a table, you have to put the labels out here. So the labels are crackers and calories. So you write 6 crackers, 246 calories. How many calories are in 1 cracker? So we have to put the number 1 in the cracker section. So how do you break down 6 crackers to 1 cracker? Divide by 6. Divide by 6. So that's why if you look in this one, why did we divide? This is showing the mathematical reason why you are dividing. 246 divided by 6 is 41 crackers. So 1 cracker has 46 calories. Oh, so we did make a prediction. All right, next one. A bottle of body wash. So you may want to pause it and work on this before you wash this one to see if you can do it without my help, or you can go along. A bottle of body wash costs $2.88. It contains 12 ounces. Find the unit price. So in other words, how much does it cost per ounce? When it says per ounce, what does that mean to you? Each ounce, every ounce, 1 ounce, or an ounce. So I'm going to break this into 12 sections. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then, so how many cents goes to each section or each ounce? So I need to divide this. $2.88 divided by 12. The pattern for 12 is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60. 12 going to 0 times. Which one goes to 28? 2 times. 28 minus 24 is 4. I bring down to 8. Which one goes in 48? Oh, right here. 4 times. So it's 24 cents for 1 ounce. So what happens if you want to have a 2-ounce bottle? 24 plus 24 is 48 cents. What happens if you want to have a 3-ounce bottle to get to the airport? 24, 24, 24 is 72 cents. What if you don't like bar diagram? You prefer something called a table. So this is cost, and these are ounces. I'm going to use a different pen color so you see what I'm doing with this one. So the cost is $2.88 for 12 ounces. How much does it cost per ounce? What number is that? Hopefully you said 1 ounce, each ounce, an ounce. So how do you break down 12 ounces to 1 ounce? Divide by 12, divide by 12, and 288 divided by 12 is 24 cents for 1 ounce. Next one. You may want to pause it and see if you can do it without, and then come back and check your work. All right, so this is, welcome back. Travelers drove 130.5 miles in 3 hours. Let's break this down into hours. Each one represents an hour. He drove at a constant speed. How many miles did he drive per hour? Per hour again. Per. Each hour, every hour, 1 hour, or an hour. So I'm going to break 130.5 miles into 3 hours so I can find out how many miles go in for each one. Can 3 go in 1? Nope. Can 3 go in 13? The pattern for 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. So it goes in 12 times, which is the 4th number. Bring down 0. How many 3s go in 10? It goes in 9 times, which is the 3rd number. 1. Bring down to 5. And, oh, it's right here. 15 is right here. That's the 5th number. Don't forget to put the decimal point. So, each hour, he drives 43.7 miles. Each hour, he drove 43.5 miles. Each hour, he drove 43.5 miles. That means 2 hours, 43.5 and 43.5. That would be 43 plus 43 is 86, half and half, 87 miles. What if you don't like bar diagram? You prefer a table. So this would be about miles. This is about hours. So 130.5 miles, 3 hours. How much does he drive per hour? That means I need to break it down to 1 hour. So divide by 3, divide by 3, and that's where you get 43.5 miles. And then I would like you to try this one. So Craig swam 18 laps in 30 minutes. Actually, so you're going to break this down into 30 sections. So what is 18 divided into, oh, how many laps did he swim per minute? That means he can't swim an entire lap each minute. So we know our answer has to be less. So you could do 18 divided by 30. 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180. So can 30 go in 1? No. Can 30 go in 18? No. Annex a 0. Oh, 180 is right here. That's the sixth number. So 0.6. So he can do 0.6 laps per minute. I find that a table is more easier to understand this question. So let's label our table laps and minutes. 18 laps, 30 minutes. I want to know how many laps can you swim per minute, which means each minute or 1 minute. How do you break down these 30 minutes into 1 minute? I want to find out 1 minute. I divide by 30, divide by 30, and we just did it here. 18 divided by 30 is 0.6. So what you're going to do now is you are going to answer these questions and show me how much it costs for these peanut butter. There's Jif, Skippy, and Peter Pan. Mrs. Meyer wants to buy some peanut butter for her girls. She wants to buy as much peanut butter as possible. Which brand is the better buy? Justify your answer. Jif costs 12 ounces for $2.28. Skippy costs 18 ounces for $2.70, while Peter Pan costs 28 ounces for $4.48. So the bigger the bottle you buy, I guess you pay more. But which bottle costs the cheapest for 1 ounce? So I would like you to make so I will do the first one for you, but you'll need to do the rest on your own. So I'm going to make a table, ounces and cost. Doesn't matter if I put ounces and cost. It really doesn't matter. If you want to put cost on top and ounces on the bottom, as long as you put the numbers in the correct spot. 12 ounces costs $2.28. So how much does it cost for 1 ounce? How do you break down 12 ounces to 1 ounce? Divide by 12. Divide by 12. So $2.28 divided by 12 goes in, 12 goes into 0 times. 12 goes in 22 1 time. That's a 10, bring down the 8. How many 12s go in 108? Actually goes in 9 times. So it costs 19 cents. So 1 ounce costs 19 cents. What if I buy 2 ounces? 19 plus 19 is 38. What if I buy 3 ounces? 19 plus 19 plus 19 is 57 cents. What if I buy 4 ounces? 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 would be 76 cents. And what would I buy 5 ounces of Jif? 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19 plus 19. 19 times 5 is 45. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 4 is 9. Carry 2, 95 cents. So what you do now is you're going to be figure out the cost for Skippy and peanut butter per ounce. Well, welcome back. I'm just going to tell you the answer. It's the cost and an ounce. So for Skippy is 270 for 18 ounce. I want to know how much it costs for 1 ounce. If I divide by 18, divide by 18, 270 divided by 18 is 15 cents for every ounce. And for Peter Pan, this is ounces cost. 28 ounces costs $4.48. How much does it cost for 1 ounce? So I need to divide by 28, divide by 28, and 448 divided by 28 is 16 cents. So as you can tell, the cheapest peanut butter by far is Skippy, 15 cents an ounce. All right, so thank you for watching this video. Please do your homework now.